Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: electric vehicle maintenance. With the rise in popularity of electric vehicles, it's important to know how to take care of these eco-friendly machines to keep them running smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips and best practices to ensure your electric vehicle stays in top shape. First things first, let's talk about some basic maintenance steps that every electric vehicle owner should know. One of the most important aspects of EV maintenance is to follow a regular charging routine. Make sure to charge your vehicle according to the manufacturer's recommendations and avoid letting the battery level drop too low. Just like with any vehicle, maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for optimal performance and efficiency. Check your tire pressure regularly and keep them inflated to the recommended levels. The battery is the heart of an electric vehicle, so taking care of it is paramount. Here are some tips to ensure your battery stays healthy. Extreme temperatures can negatively impact your battery's lifespan. Whenever possible, park your EV in a shaded area during hot days and try to avoid exposing it to extremely cold temperatures. Balancing your charging routine between regular charging and fast charging can help extend your battery's life. While fast charging is convenient, try not to rely on it too often, as it can put additional stress on the battery. Electric vehicles come with a unique feature called regenerative braking. Let's talk about how to maintain your brake system. Regenerative braking helps recharge your battery while slowing down. It's a great way to increase your EV's efficiency and reduce wear on traditional brake components. Although regenerative braking reduces the wear on brake pads, it's still important to have them inspected regularly. A qualified technician can ensure your brakes are in good condition. Don't forget about the interior. Keeping the cabin clean and well-maintained contributes to a pleasant driving experience. Clean or replace your HVAC filters periodically to maintain good air quality inside the cabin. This also ensures efficient operation of the heating and cooling systems. Regularly clean the interior surfaces and vacuum the carpets to prevent dust and dirt buildup. A clean interior not only looks great but also enhances your driving comfort. Wrapping it up, taking care of your electric vehicle isn't as complex as it may seem. Following these tips and best practices will not only prolong the life of your EV but also help you get the most out of its performance and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy driving! Stay charged, stay eco-friendly, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.